Hey everybody, it's me again, and we're going to be playing MX vs. ATV Reflex.
Yep.
And as you know, I have Tristan here.
Woo! Hey,
She already started the game without me.
Hey, come on.
What a real nice friend.
Here.
What?
Hey guys, come over here. Come here, guys. You guys want to... Alright, you want to see something cool? Alright, watch, guys.
Bruh.
Yeah.
Yeah, well, that was just a couple tricks.
Yeah, there's going to be a lot more. Hey. Did you hear? We will have no fear. Alright, go to multipliers. Yeah. Wait. Alright, so, yeah, I don't know if you guys, yeah, you guys can probably see. Just go to multiplayer. Alright, free ride. Hey, you're joining my game.
Really?
Alright, so, yeah, this is what we're going to be playing today. Could you please like and subscribe?
If you can't hear him, he's saying please like, subscribe, and comment if you want to. Oh, dude. I just smashed my face. What are you doing? That sounds pretty interesting, Tristan.
What?
Gamefly.
Hey guys, so, well, yeah, this is what we're gonna do. We have a couple YouTubers for you guys to check out too. Please check out Wildcat and H2O Delirious.
Like, other YouTubers too, not just them.
Yeah. Tell them what I just said.
What'd you say?
Check out H2O Delirious and Vanos.
H2O Delirious?
Yeah.
H2O Delirious and Wildcat and Vanos.
Shout out to all of them.
Yeah, shout out to all of them.
They helped us form. They gave us the motions and how to record. So thanks to them.
Them are not the only people that helped us.
I know. Jacksepticeye too.
PewDiePie.
Hey, I see you. Hey, come here.
Someone else helped me. Well, us.
Who?
Who do you think?
PewDiePie.
Yeah, PewDiePie, Jacksepticeye, and all them.
If you guys don't know who PewDiePie or Wildcat is,
You should know who PewDiePie is. If you don't, that's a shame on you.
PewDiePie. So you guys should just check them out. They are pretty cool YouTubers. Other than that, enjoy the video.
Enjoy this video too.
Hey, William, watch me. Watch me over the cliff.
I can't see you.
I just did a front flip over you.
No, you didn't. You did a front flip over someone else.
No, you're the only one. Oh, no, I didn't do it over you.
Oh man,
I'm listening to Wildcat right now. He's pretty awesome. Where are you at? There you are. Shout out to Wimpy Kid 578.
Who's that?
He asked us to shout out for him. So you go ahead and check out his YouTube. He's pretty cool. I like him. Hopefully we can meet a couple YouTubers.
Who?
Wimpy Kid 578.
Look up Wimpy Kid 578 if you want to.
What's the next thing? Hunter Smith.
Hunter Smith.
Alright.
Should I?
Yeah.
And if you want to, look up Hunter Smith.
He is actually one of our cousins. You guys will just have to figure out. But
It's his cousin.
shut up. He does go to school with us.
He does.
Right now we're in college. So
No, we're not.
okay, we're in high school.
We're not in high school either.
We're in 8th grade.
No, we're not.
What are we in?
7th grade.
Yeah, we're just a couple of youngers. One of my biggest dreams is to meet Vanoss.
Not mine.
Comment below what you guys' biggest dreams are, and we'll give a shout out to the most awesome ones that exist.
And that's anything.
Yes. Anything.
Well, not anything.
Yeah.
Nothing nasty.
Other than that, we'll give you a shout out, like and comment,
And subscribe.
Yeah, let's watch the rest of the video. Alright guys, if you guys want to come over here, I have a couple good tricks for you.
Oh man, it's just crashed. Okay, we're going over to Tristan.
Okay, so here's one of my tricks. It's a backflip and a 180. Well, not really a 180, but it's kind of a 360. And if you guys know any more tricks how to do them on here, go ahead and leave them in the comments. I will see if we can do them. But here's one more trick for you guys. It's coming. Okay, that one I've been trying to master for like couple days. My number is 87, and if you guys ever watch Blake Shelton's YouTube videos, you could probably see me in a couple of them.
Hey, they won't give you a high five.
Yeah, high five.
I'm going back over here to me.
So, we probably have like 5 more minutes into the video. We got a couple people joining. We should probably kick them. Okay, they're gone. But right now we're just riding around. Nothing major right now. We will do a couple other videos of this. And if you guys really want to, we can do some advanced warfare.
Or you're just gonna have to wait for Garry's Mod Part 2 because it's just not working right now.
Yeah. So we'll see all you dudes in the next video. No, I just finished mine.
You didn't.
Yeah, I did. What?
Get that one song up.
Oh, Wildcats?
No. You know, don't say it, but you know who I'm talking about.
I am Wildcat?
No. Jay, don't say it out loud. Do you know what I'm talking about yet?
No. Oh, okay. Alright, so, yeah. our video is gonna be over here in a couple of seconds. If you guys feel like it, like and comment and
subscribe.
Yeah, and you guys can see a couple extra tricks after the video.
If you want to, we could play together.
Alright, so, we will see all you guys. Alright, we got 2 more minutes left. So, we're gonna do probably an hour live stream next video. So yeah, if you guys wanna watch. If you guys just wanna watch, I know how to set
Oh yeah,
one
by
up.
the way, we're trying to get some money to donate it, so
We're gonna donate it to Goodwill for all the poor.
we're going to donate it to charities.
Yeah,
Goodwill's not a charity.
I thought it was.
No.
Alright, so we'll see all you guys in the next video, and like and comment.
And subscribe. Why do you keep forgetting to say subscribe?
I don't know.
Yeah, I
William's
didn't
got a
really.
couple extra tricks for you himself.
If I can never get off this hill.
Yeah. That wasn't me who just left the game. My name is Devargy Wolf. You can see it down in the corner right there.
Set back on screen.
Yeah, it's, I don't know if you guys, yeah, it's right there. So, yeah, we will see you guys next video, and please feel free to like, comment, and subscribe.